Hi guys, I'm here to tell you about my weight loss journey. I have been struggling to lose weight, especially my abdominal fat. I tried many ways. I tried working out, but I started to see some visible difference after training with weights. Even after training with weights, I was struggling to shed my abdominal fat. I tried using many equipments, tried various abdominal workouts, but nothing uh, was fruitful. Finally, what I did was I combined weight training with cardio. Then my stubborn abdominal fat started to melt, because the abdominal fat is the excess fat is that the body stores in the abdomen. So in order to melt that away, you got to do cardio like jogging, swimming, or cycling on a bike or a stationary bike, etc. Only by burning calories can you melt that stubborn abdominal fat away. In the market, there are many drugs like Wegovy, Zepbound, Manjaro, but these have side effects. And once you stop using these drugs, you gain the weight back. So uh, what you got to do is you got to combine a workout routine with these supplements. I came across a very interesting supplement, latest supplement called Java Burn. Can be taken with coffee, can be mixed with coffee. It works well when mixed with coffee, and works well if you take it in the morning. You can take it in the morning. Within 3 months, you'll see a clear, shocking change in your weight. You'll you'll be able to shed a significant amount of your weight. But during the weight loss journey, you got to be careful that you shouldn't be eating too much. Don't eat to your full. Always leave some space. Many guys eat to their full. Don't do that. Just just enough. Eat just enough to, you know, satisfy your hunger, not to fill your stomach. So keep some part of your stomach empty, and make sure that you work out every day except Sundays, of course. And the best way of weight training is, I think, first you got to do like 2 or 3 or 5 repetitions. Like if you are doing biceps curls, do 3 or 5 biceps curls. Then the next set you should be doing it till failure. Should push and push and push till you can't even take another single biceps curl. Do it till failure. That's the way to lose fat and to gain more muscle. And make sure you do it every day. That's the best way to do uh, lose weight. And Java Burn is a very good supplement, and they have exciting offers. Like there's a money back policy. If you find that it isn't working, you can gain your money back within 60 days. So after trying it for 1 month or 1.5 months, if you find it's not beneficial, you can certainly gain the money back. And I'm quite sure that it'll be quite effective, because you can take it with coffee, you can keep it in the kitchen, and add add it to the morning coffee and have it before going for workout. So it's a very effective and the latest supplement, and it's tasteless, and is comparatively, you know uh, not comparatively, doesn't have that much bad side effects, so it's very good. Try it. I'm including the description link in the description. You can try it and avail the latest offers. Anyway, best of luck for your weight loss journey. I'm sure you'll find it you know very you know even though it's tough, you'll find it very benefiting, because when you lose weight, you'll gain back your confidence. You'll gain back your that activeness. You'll shed off that laziness. It changes your whole life, your approach. When you go into a room, you'll carry that energy with you everywhere. It will change you as a whole person. So best of luck for the weight loss. Thanks.